Hi friends, how are you doing today? And thanks for joining me for today's video. And this video is about your recent IELTS speaking exam experience. Well, IELTS exams are being cancelled or postponed at many places, but still IDB is conducting the speaking exam. However, there are still few states and cities in India where the IELTS exams are taking place, especially the computer delivered exams. So what I want you to do is that if you have taken the IELTS exam recently or you had your speaking interview just few days ago, please share your exam experience here in the comment section of this video. Well, there are so many students who are so worried about their speaking exam and the actual exam. They really have no idea what's going on, but you can be a help for them. You can mention where you are from, which state and city, and then you can share that when you had your speaking or the actual IELTS exam and what was there in the exam. It would really help these students to prepare. They would get an idea that where the exams are still taking place and what the examiners can ask during this time. Well, I also request you to please share your computer delivered exam experience as well, because the fact is that paper-based exams are not going to start very soon, but students can take the computer delivered exam. So if they are going to take the computer delivered, what kind of things they need to keep in mind so that they do not face any trouble while taking the computer delivered exam. If you have had a computer delivered exam recently, please get in touch with me on the flashing WhatsApp number. Share your exam experience with me. An audio clip or a video clip would be a great thing to share with me that I can share here on this platform so that the other students can get the idea that how the computer delivered exam is taken. So that's pretty much all from my side in this video, guys. I request you to please share your speaking exam and the actual LWR exam experience if you have had it recently, either paper based or computer based. And that's pretty much all in this video from my side, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.